My name is Flo Fu. I'm a musician, director. I love aviation so much. People started to call me AirFlo.
Once you up there, it's no going back, man.
Chicagoland Skydiving Center and friend Tony Williams sponsor AirFlo for her first skydiving experience. Skydiving? Are you going to skydiving?
We're going to do skydiving. Are you going to do skydiving?
Yeah.
I think you and I are going to jump together.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, how do you know it's me?
Well, I saw your name on the board. Are you a friend of Tony's?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, exciting!
After I get back from this guy, as long as gravity works,
Okay.
we're gonna come back down. I'll get you all geared up, trained up, and take you up and put a plane at you. Okay?
Wow, cool! Awesome. It's my first time.
Mine
oh
too.
My God!
That's jumpers.
You're too?
My first time too.
You serious? Dress up.
Jacob. Hello. Okay.
Hi. From here. 'Can you tell me how was it?
Man, it was crazy, boy. There's nothing like it, man. Nothing at all, man.
The jump plane is ready. Here we go. I'm confidently marching with my instructor, Steven Smith. Happy to see my new jump friends. AirFlo almost bumps her airhead. As the jump plane climbs to 14,000 feet, I start tapping my fingers, getting nervous. This Cessna Caravan can lift 14 to 18 jumpers. My face is giving me away. I'm nervous. As we inch closer to the door, I think to myself, what the hell am I doing up here? It was scary at first, but then I started to have fun. For some reason, I try to grab cameraman Chris' foot. Airhead strikes again.
funny.
What stopped you?
All right.
When I see the beautiful sunset from the sky, it makes me cry. We performed a perfect gear-up landing. If you want to learn how to skydive, I strongly recommend the Chicagoland Skydiving Center
Let's walk up to her.
at Rochelle Airport, Illinois.
All right. We're
Jacob, let's
safely
Jacob.
back on the ground. Tell me what you think.
It's fucking unbelievable!